In this video, I will show you how to add full screen toggle view button in Excel. So click on File, then Options. Now Customize ribbon. Now here select all commands, and in this list you have to find out full screen. Select it, then add. So firstly you need to create a group. New tab or new group. Give a name for this group. And select any icon. Click on OK. Now select full screen and add. Click on OK. Now in this Home tab, you will get this button. To remove full screen, press Escape key on keyboard. So thanks for watching.